Welcome everyone in this new SolidWorks tutorial. This is the part 1 of helical conveyor assembly. In this type of conveyor, material will enter from the top and exit from the bottom of the conveyor. In this video, we will create the body of the conveyor assembly. So let's get started, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Create new part and make sure the dimensions are in millimeters. Choose the front plane to draw a sketch. Select the center line and draw the vertical line from origin. We will use this center line to mirror our sketch. Select the line options and draw a sketch like this. Select the sketch. Click on Mirror Entities options and then select Mirror About. Choose center line to mirror the sketch. Now using Smart Dimensions, choose the bottom line and enter a size of 102 millimeters. And then select both these lines to enter an angle of 45 degrees. Between these lines, keep a distance of 175 millimeters. Then select the top and bottom lines to enter the height of 162 millimeters. Choose these corner line and enter a size of 25 millimeters. You can see that our sketch is now fully defined. Exit sketch and then select Extrude the boss base. Here only thin feature options is available. Enter the thickness of 1 millimeter. Click on this arrow to flip the side. For direction, choose the mid-plane options. You can select this arrow to stretch this sketch. We will keep the length of 610 millimeters. Now save this part and create a new folder. Name it Helical Conveyor. In this folder, save this part as body or conveyor body as you like. Now zoom in and select this face to draw a sketch. Select the Convert Entities options. Then select all these inner lines. Now select the offset options and enter the offset of 25 millimeters. Select the Converted Entities lines and tick the reverse direction options to flip it. Now draw the top lines to close the sketch. Exit the sketch and extrude it again, but this time, the thin feature is unchecked. Keep the condition blind and length of 10 millimeters. You can flip the directions inwards. Select the mirror options. Choose the front plane, and for features to mirror, choose the boss extrude one and then click OK to mirror the end flanges. Now we will create holes on the sides using the hole wizard. Select the drill size of 10 millimeters and end condition to select up to next. Then click on the position. Now draw the center line from this midpoint to this midpoint. Repeat the center lines for these points. Select this green tick to return to holes options. And then from this midpoint, move downwards and then click to create the holes. Make sure you are choosing the midpoint as the center of the holes. Now click OK. You can now see that all the holes are now created. Now select this 10 diameter hole and then select the mirror options. Choose the front plane and then click OK. Select the hole wizard options again to create the holes on the top. Keep all the conditions as previous ones. Click on Positions and then click on the top face. From midpoint, go downwards and click to create the hole. Select the Smart Dimensions and enter the distance of 50 mm from the top line. And then click OK to create the hole. Use linear pattern here to create more holes. For direction, choose the edge line and enter a distance of 130 mm. Keep number of holes 5. Click on Feature to Pattern and then select the hole which you want to pattern. Now we will mirror this pattern. Choose the right plane. Select the inner face of the conveyor body to draw the sketch. Select the center rectangle and draw it in the center. Enter the distance between the center and the edge line of 112 mm. Enter width of 127 mm and height of 112 mm. Exit the sketch and select the Extrude Cut options here. Keep direction through all. You can see this cut will provide the outlet of the conveyor. Now from the reference drop-down, draw a plane at a distance of 50 mm. Select this plane to draw a sketch. Select the Convert Entities option and select the edges of the cut we created. This sketch is now closed. Exit the sketch and extrude it again. First, choose the condition up to the body and click on the arrow to flip the direction. This will extrude the sketch up to the selected body. For body, select the whole part we created. This time thin feature option is activated and keep the thickness of 1 mm. Click OK. Our conveyor body is now completed. In the next videos, we will create the remaining parts. Thanks for watching and please like the video.